Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Audacity on your Windows 10 operating system. So Audacity is a free and open source digital audio editor and recording application software available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux and other Unix-like operating system. So if you want to do anything with audios, you might want to use Audacity. So to download Audacity on your Windows 10 operating system, just search for Audacity on your favorite browser. And the first link which will appear here will be from audacityteam.org. So I'm going to just click on this website. And then you can see in the introduction page, it's open source and cross-platform audio software. So for downloading Audacity, you can just scroll down a little and then you can see you can download Audacity for your Windows, Mac or Linux operating system. So I'm going to just click on download Audacity and then I'm going to click on Audacity for Windows and then I will be redirected to the Audacity downloads page for Windows. So right now at the time of making this video, the current version is 2.3.3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just click on this option which says Audacity 2.3.3 installer. You don't need to click on the zip file. You need to download an installer. So I'm going to just click on this option. And then here I will scroll down a little and here you will see all the options. So I'm going to choose this option which says Audacity Windows Installer. So just click on this option which is going to start the download of this Audacity-win-2.3.3 exe file. So once this executable file is downloaded, I'm going to just click on this exe file and then I'm going to just click yes and then I'm going to minimize the browser, and this is the first setup window for Audacity. So in the first window, you need to select the language in which you want to install Audacity. I want to install Audacity in English, so I will just choose English and then click OK. And then I'm going to just click on next. And then I will just click on next once again. And this will be the location where Audacity will be installed on your Windows 10 operating system. So if you don't have the good reason to change it, just leave it as default and just click on next. And then just click on next and click install. So it will take few seconds to install Audacity on your Windows 10 operating system, and once this installation is finished, you will be able to see Audacity on your desktop, and then you can click next here and then just leave this as checked. So this is going to launch Audacity on your Windows 10 operating system. So now Audacity is started and you can start using Audacity on your Windows 10 operating system. So from here, what you can do is you can just import files or export files and work with your audio files on Audacity. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.